In this video, we are going to see and resolve this error message that comes whenever you are trying to screencast with your mobile or screen mirror your mobile with a laptop. It shows you this message that protected content cannot be viewed on this device. So this is definitely a very frustrating issue, and let's see how we can resolve this. So first of all, let's close this, right click, close window. And then we want to head over to control panel and make sure you are under the category view. Once we are in here, just click on network and internet. Just click on network and sharing center. And on the left, we get this option which says media streaming options. Just go ahead and click on that. And it says turn on the media streaming. Just allow that, turn this on. And where it says show devices on, it is set to local network, but let's set it to all networks. And after making all of these changes, a lot of people skip that. They just close the window from the top. Just remember to click OK button at the bottom. And let's go again in the media streaming options. Make sure that everything is working. Okay, set it to all networks. Like I said, it doesn't save sometimes, but it will again save to local network. So that's not a problem. And this time when we open this, do we want to turn this off? Click OK and then go again, media streaming options. I know this sounds weird, but now you will see that the protection or the guard icon disappears from here. So let's set it to allowed again. Click OK. And that is all you have to do. After that, just try accessing using the same method. Now, if it doesn't work, make sure you turned on the Wi-Fi, because if you didn't turn on the Wi-Fi on your mobile and on your laptop, it will not work. And just remember that it will not work on mobile data. If you have enabled mobile data on your mobile device and you have connected with a hotspot, it will still not work. So make sure you are connected to a real-time Wi-Fi network on both devices. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.